Welcome back to another episode of Cosmos with Jigyasa, where today we'll talk about why you can't trust your manifestations. Before that, just a reminder, hydrate yourself, get yourself a glass of water, and then watch it ahead. Okay, so have you ever made a promise to yourself? Okay, let's come to that later. But has anyone made a promise to you and then they broke that promise? How did you feel? Like, what you felt within? You were shattered, you were heartbroken, but you gave them another chance. But then they broke your trust again, and you just can't trust anyone else again. Sometimes broken promises comes from childhood, sometimes broken promises comes from adulting, sometimes broken promises comes from relationships. Any which way, broken promises can come from a lot of people and through a lot of ways, and during that process there is also one person who is the most important one to break a promise is you. Have you ever in your entire life till now made a promise to yourself and then you did not keep it, and after that not keeping that promise to yourself, you might have given yourself an excuse, maybe you just can't do it, you were not meant for it, you were just lazy, and maybe you just did not fulfill that promise to yourself. And when you don't fulfill your promise to yourself, you feel guilty. But when someone else don't fulfill your promises, you feel broken. Okay? And there's a difference between feeling guilty and feeling broken. But both of them has an equal impact on how you can't trust your manifestations right now. So anytime you make a promise to yourself and you break it, you are also implying that the manifestations that you're writing in your diary, the manifestations that you're visualizing, it's never going to come because you have made a lot of promises to yourself and you never kept them. So keeping promises, it's not easy, it's difficult. Why? Because you have to challenge yourself to keep that thing. You have to challenge yourself to keep up with that promise. Also, it's not just about breaking a promise, but why do you do that? It's because you procrastinate. Okay, you procrastinate a lot. When someone else breaks your trust, procrastination can come in the form of not able to trust yourself again. Comparisons can come, right? But the major reason right now, right here, is you breaking your promises to yourself. So you procrastinate. You know why procrastination feels so comforting and so relaxing? Because you don't have to put out any kind of efforts. And trust me, it does make a difference. So, like, if I had to shoot a video, I have to go and get ready. I procrastinated for 1 week to like shoot this video. Yeah, I just had to take out my camera and shoot it, right? No, this does not work like this. Even to get in front of a camera, I have to be in a state where I can talk to you guys. So I have to promise myself that no matter what, I have to do it today. I have to get out of my bed rotting and I have to put out this video out there. And just imagine when I broke that promise to myself, I thought that, okay, it's the end of long format videos. It's like, I'm never gonna keep up with that. But no, you have to keep your promises to yourself for the long game. It's not just about for your manifestations, but it's also for your lifestyle. Like, imagine a promise broken to yourself for your fitness is not laziness. It's just that you don't trust yourself enough that you can achieve that certain thing. You don't trust yourself enough that it's possible for you. So the reason you can't trust your manifestations is because that trust within is broken. Like, when someone else breaks your trust, you feel shattered. But when you break your trust that you made to yourself, you feel guilty. And guilt is a very big term. Guilt is a very big thing that you should never carry within yourself. Okay, you can excuse yourself for once and not consider yourself that you broke that promise. Just tell yourself that maybe you did not feel yourself enough to keep that promise today, but tomorrow you will go and do that thing. Sometimes the task can feel impossible depending on the mental state you're in, but at the end of the day, you have to complete the task for yourself, not for anyone else. Every every manifestation in your diary, just read it. It's for yourself. Like, whether you want to get that bag, get that like laptop, get that job, whatever it is, it's for you, right? That job will make you feel complete, like not in the sense of complete like you keeping it on pedestal, but you worked hard on that degree to get that job, right? So obviously it makes sense, you will feel worthy, not because of the job, but obviously because now you have something in your hand for that you worked hard, right? When you want to lose weight, it's not just about losing weight, it's also about trusting yourself that you deserve to stay fit and healthy, and not just about losing weight. Because a lot of times you don't know what your circumstances are, you don't know what other people is dealing with, right? So it's not just about like losing weight, it's also about keeping that promise to yourself to stay fit. So like let's say you just made a promise to yourself to stay hydrated and complete eight, like drinking 8 glass of water in a day. But just imagine you just can't keep that simple promise. You know why? Because you have made a lot of promises to yourself till now and you never completed them. So this is a reminder to start small, start fulfilling small promises to yourself. Maybe just like completing 8 glasses of water, going out 30 minutes for a walk, or any small promise that you have been delaying. Maybe just going out to meet your friends, to just call your friend up and talk with them. It's also a promise to yourself to take out that time out of your schedule to just call your friend. You made a promise to yourself that okay, no matter what, I'll call this person out of my schedule today. So a promise broken to yourself is not just a promise broken to yourself, but also towards your future self. You are breaking a part of your future self when you break a promise to yourself. So make sure you can postpone doing a promise by telling yourself that positively I will do it tomorrow, but make sure you don't break that promise to yourself. Keeping a promise to yourself is far more important than keeping anything else to trust your manifestations. It takes a little bit extra to trust yourself because of all the self doubts people have instilled here that you can't do it. But trust me, it's only you who can do it, no one else. Like, they not trusting you, it's their issue, it's not your issue. So why are you breaking promises to yourself just because someone else is not trusting you? It's their issue, it's not your issue. You trust yourself, right? So why not go out and do what you love? Why not go out and go for that thing that you want to do? Like, leave people's opinions behind. You just need to trust yourself enough to achieve that damn thing right now. Because people will have opinions even when you will achieve it. People will have opinions when you don't achieve it. When you will achieve it, people will be like, we always knew you can do it, but we just never wanted to show you because we just wanted to protect your little heart from breaking. No, they just never believed in it. And trust me, you think that people far from you don't believe in you, but trust me, they are the closest to you who don't believe in you. And yeah, that also breaks you a lot. But everything does not belong to you to take burden, right? It's their own thoughts. Everyone has the option to have their own opinions and thoughts, but you also have the permission to have your own thoughts and trust within yourself. So take this as your reminder, if you have watched till here, that from today onwards you will keep your promises to yourself, and not for your manifestations, but to know that you absolutely deserve it. So when small promises are kept, big results are seen. See you next time. Drop in the comments what you want me to talk next about, and are we loving this series?